In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use the Zolika menu trainer in GTA 4. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, scroll down and check the download option to download the Z menu. Check the download option and it will start downloading. Then just go back and download this Zolika patch. Check download option, check the download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this fusion fix. Once you are in this site, select this two line on the right top and select links and select download fusion fix web installer. After downloading these three, select the folder icon. Right click on the Zolika patch and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just minimize this. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Once you are in GTA 4 game folder, just drag up these files. Zolika patch, accept the readme, just drag up, replace the file the destination and go back to WinRAR. For extra menu, open it and just drag up this ASI and then just go back, open this C menu and same thing, just drag up these files, reset menu assets and uncheck this readme. Make sure you selected the reset menu assets folder and then just drag up these files inside the game folder, replace the file in the destination. After all this done, just close up here, open up File Explorer and go to Downloads. Right click on the Fusion Fix and select Run as Administrator. Select More Info and select Run Anywhere option. Select Yes option. Select the Browse option and navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option. After selecting the game folder, select this first option where GTA file path. After this installation done, select close, go back to GTA 4 folder and find right click on the set menu 4.ini and select edit in notepad and scroll down under keybind section. You can able to see menu up, down, menu up, change this number to 33, menu down, change this to 34 and menu enter, change to 13, menu back, change this to 8 and select file and select save option. Let's close stuff here and find play GTA 4.exe. Right click and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, press the F7 key to open up this Zolika menu and using the page up and page down you can control these options. So to select the option, press enter. For example, I'm gonna test this weather. Choose the weather using page down key and press enter to select the option. And same thing for testing this, I'm gonna select cloudy and everything working fine as you can see. Foggy, lightning, extra sunny, sunny, windy too. Everything is working. To go back, use the backspace key. How to close this menu? Press F7 to close the menu and the Zolika menu is working fine. You can test on your own and comment below. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.